successful traders that I know are lazy, but here's what's making them win. I'd always find myself in the charts and I'd force myself to get into a trade because I believe that the more trades there are, the more money I can make and the more profitable and successful I'll be in the future. I had the whole picture painted wrong in my head, the idea of trading itself. And essentially, it doesn't matter what trading setup you've got, what strategy you're running, because if you don't master patience, you'll never have the edge in the market. Because you've always got to wait for the trade to come to you. If you're chasing trades, you will never become successful and, in the end, profitable. You will never. It's the switch that changed the whole game for me. It's the fact that I learned that not trading is also a position itself. Not trading is a position. And that's the sentence that I remember till this day. And I wish someone had told me that a long time ago. Because essentially, if you're just trading and you're clicking buttons, you're just gambling. You're really just gambling and you're going to lose all your money at the end of the day. And so, dear future traders and beginners, follow me because your future self, the most successful traders that I know are lazy.
Right, so yeah. Ichi chinhu chakakoshesa usingatomboitishi. Right? Chinhu chakakoshesa stereki. Right, saka ukanzwa zvavari kutaura comrade, right? Kwanzi the most successful traders that I know, they are lazy. Right, and ichokwadi, right? Pane pandosimbotaura ndichiti nini? Trading inosvika panguva yekuti inotanga kubowa, right? Inotanga kubowa. Why? Because the trader anenge achiteedzera system, right? Saka haungo trade at any time, right? Saka nyaya iripo ndeyekuti zvandogara ndakataura futi kuti strategy yese inoshanda, right? Strategy yese inoshanda, but you need to understand my principles and my rules in strategy here, right? Above everything, patience is the most important thing. Ndochinhu chakakosha. Saka ndinoona dzimwe dzenguva pandino share kana kuti market ideas, right, or market insights, right? Saka unoti uchiposta zviya mudiscord so, right, unenge wakaposta wakamaka chat rako uchiratidza mastructures auri kuona, whatever zvauri kuexpecta kuti zvinhu zvichaitika, right? And then wonyora kuti for example UK 100 possible sell move, right? And then woenda unoisa note, right, kuti I will advise kuti asset ridzoke kuzone, right? Takamirira kuti asset ridzoke kuzone rouya kuentry zone kwedu, right, kuentry level kwedu, right? Saka kana une system yakadai so, it gets to a point whereby it gets boring, right? Saka unobva waita kunge uri lazy because you have a system yauri kutevedzera, you have a system yauri kufollowa, right? Saka this is something chekuti uchiuya kuindustry you need to understand kuti haisi time yese yaunofarira kungoya pachat uchingoti ndakuya kuzotrade, ndakutoya pachat ndakuya kuzotrade, ndofarira kutotrada every day, every minute, every hour, every second. Saka you should have a system yaunofarira kushanda nayo, right? Saka zvakangofanana nhasi so, right? Musi weMonday with my good setups, with my good trades. Musi Tuesday with my good trades, right? And nhasi today it's Wednesday, right? And ndakatozorora handifungi kuti ndichatombotarisa machats kana ka1, right? Saka nyaya iripo ndeyekuti so far for these 2 days we already had 7 setups and 6 they are already wins, right? And the 1 is a break even, right? That means that already we've been doing well for the week, right? Saka handingazvipe pressure yekuti ndakutomanikidza kuti Wednesday rega nditrade futi again, right? Because I understand kuti when you have a good winning streak, sometimes you need to give yourself time to relax and rest, right? And focus on other things like my business, family, building content, right? Uchita kuti mind yako irelaxe, uchiexplore zvimwe zvinhu and developing your life on other areas, right? Saka nyaya iripo ndeyekuti aungozoti 24/7 wakaita stick kumachats, hauchatobvi pachati, wati vachikwekwe chemachats hautofemi, right? Every time ungori pachati pafamba candle uripo, uda kuisa kuti candle iro rikuenda kupi pafamba uripo ipapo. You should get time, right? Yekuti unoitawo zvimwe zvinhu. Give yourself time, right? This is where we come to a point patinoti isusu trading is boring, right? Because hauchangofocus nekudzingirira chart chete, right? Une patience dzekuti you know kuti I also need to get a rest and focus on other things while I'm also waiting for other good opportunities, right? Saka tinogona kutoita consider this week a done week, right? A done deal. Takutoti tinoonana next week, because when we look at the percentage yatatoita so far, that would be more, because when we look at my trades and most of my trades, we are looking at a risk reward ratio of 3% going upwards, right? So if we times the 6 trades dzatatoanadzo kudhara, tinenge tichitotaura kuti tatowane kuma 18+%, right, within this week, which is actually a good return, right? Saka if you plan and you schedule your trading activities, right, ukaita system yaunayo yekutotoza kuti right, izvi ndo zvandinofollowa izvi, right, aungoti every time uri pachati seni ndinotoanalyza, ndotoseta ma-alerts angu, ndotorelaxa, ndotoita zvimwe zvinhu, or even watching movies or doing something else, right? Market ichifamba, when the time comes, right, the market comes to the level, alert is triggered, I go to the charts, I check and see zvanandakamirira ndo zviri kuitika here kana kuti, right, and then I'm getting matrades angu, right, or ma-opportunities angu at that moment, right? Saka nyaya iripo chinhu chakakosha i-patience ndo zvinhu zvakakosha izvozvo, right? It's not a must to trade every time, because you are going to over trade, right? You are going to over risk, because when you make my losses, you would want to keep on again, showing again kuti ukwanise kukavha ma-losses aya, right? Unongosinga accept defeat, saka zvinobva zvako affecta mindset yako, zvoaffecta nehealth yako, wakutadza kudevelopa on other areas life yako, right? Which is important to also build a system, right? Have patience, mirira, analyze, mirira market to uye ku area of interest yako, and then you can execute my positions. You will see with your trading will actually change. Yanga isinga record.